So you may have just lost the Samsung TV remote for your particular device, and you might be trying to figure out some ways that you can use your Samsung TV without using your remote. Now, there's a couple of different ways of going about doing this for the most part. Number one, the very first thing I recommend kind of thinking about here is to just see if your particular TV has some sort of manual controls within it. So your TV might end up having some buttons inside of it. It might actually have that small like joystick button that it has on the bottom or the back side of your TV. That's kind of the first thing we'd recommend kind of looking at, because if it ends up having that, you're pretty much just going to have to go through and kind of just like move around those particular buttons in order to modify with your TV settings. So that's kind of the first thing you can do. The next thing you can do is to actually use the Samsung SmartThings application. So the SmartThings app allows you to kind of go through and it allows you to use your particular, phone application as a universal TV remote. So you can make your way over to your iOS or Android store, download the SmartThings application by Samsung, tap on the plus button at the top, click on Add Device, click on TV, and you can go through and basically add in your particular TV and your settings and your network into your phone as a remote option. So that's another thing. And finally, you can also use a universal remote. You can buy a physical TV remote for your particular TV, your Samsung TV, connect it via the settings, and then go through and try using it that way. So those are just a few different ways of doing it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.